Welcome back to TFAP to Table. My name is Melissa and I will be your instructor. Tonight we are making gluten-free Navajo tacos. The recipe, nutrition, and instructions will all be at the very end of this video for you to screenshot. All of these recipes are very adaptable to whatever you have on hand. I understand that not everyone will have salt or seasoning, so if you do have that, you're more than welcome to add those. We're just using the very basic ingredients that will yield whatever we're making. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.